Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my best ever vanilla buttercream frosting. So I've developed this recipe for the past year and now I think I've got the best ever vanilla frosting. This frosting is perfectly sweet and creamy and also very light and fluffy and flavorful. It is really the best vanilla buttercream frosting. So let's get started. So here are all the ingredients that we're going to need. Some softened butter. You can use salted or unsalted. I'm using salted because I like that extra bit of flavor the salt adds. And you're going to need some powdered sugar and some heavy cream. Or you can use milk or water, but I really like the creamy flavor the heavy cream adds. And then for flavorings, we've got some vanilla extract and salt. Yes, there's more salt. It really enhances the flavor and cuts a bit of the sweetness. So these are all the ingredients. Now let's get started with making the frosting. So to make this frosting, you can either use a stand mixer or an electric hand mixer. Usually I would use a stand mixer because it's super easy, but I found that an electric hand mixer results in a much more light and fluffy frosting because the beaters have thin edges and it cuts through the mixture and doesn't damage the air that it's whipping in. So I'm going to be using an electric hand mixer to make this frosting. So first, into a large bowl, add in the softened butter, and then beat it with the electric mixer on high speed for about 5 minutes until it becomes very light and pale. Then you'll see after 5 minutes of beating it has gone much lighter in color. And that's because we've whipped a lot of air into it. And then the next thing you need to do is sift the powdered sugar. So add the powdered sugar into a fine sieve set over a medium bowl. And once you've sifted all the powdered sugar, you then need to add it into the butter, adding just 1 spoonful at a time. And then mix it with the electric mixer on low speed. And just keep adding more powdered sugar, 1 spoonful at a time, until about half of the powdered sugar is added. And once half of the powdered sugar is added, you then need to beat it on high speed for another 3 minutes. So after it's been beating for another 3 minutes, you then need to add in the rest of the powdered sugar. Again, just 1 spoonful at a time. If you feel like the frosting is getting too stiff, you can add in a tablespoon of the heavy cream to thin it out. And then once all the powdered sugar is added, it will be this really stiff mixture. So now we need to add the heavy cream, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches about a frosting-like consistency. So a good frosting consistency is when you take a scoop of the frosting and turn it upside down, it shouldn't fall off. So after that, add in the vanilla extract and the salt. Mix it in until it's combined. And then beat it on high speed for another 2 or 3 minutes. And then just finish it off by mixing it by hand. And there you go, that's my best ever vanilla buttercream frosting. And then you can use this frosting to frost any cake or cupcakes you like. So that's my best ever vanilla buttercream frosting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like, and check out my channel for many more videos, and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.